My name is Claudia Bieling. I'm working at University of Hohenheim, which is in southern Germany. And I'm professor at this university for a newly established chair with a little bit complicated name, Societal Transition and Agriculture. So I always need to explain what we are actually doing. So it's about sustainability transitions as related to land use and to food systems also. So we are asking the question, what makes land use sustainable or more sustainable? How can this be achieved? Same for food systems. And actually, what is sustainability? And what I'm really surprised about is how my view on other people's perceptions and opinions changes over time. So in the beginning, I sometimes think like, oh, how can you ever argue for this position? Must be a really stupid person. And then when I get into it, then I see that there is some internal logic and that it makes sense, but that you really have to kind of unravel the underlying assumptions, premises, and normative views of people. So, and that's a constant surprise, because that's happening again and again, that I have to reconsider other people's positions, and also by doing this, think and rethink my own perspectives. Resilience, for me in the first place, coming to a more narrow definition, then I would start with the social-ecological systems definition of what resilience is. And there you would come to, for instance, Brian Walker, who said that resilience is the capacity of a system to absorb disturbances and keeping the kind of internal identity, the same feedbacks, the same functioning. So this is a kind of technical interpretation of what resilience is, and what is in a wider perspective, and what for me really the interesting point about resilience is that it's about dealing in a constructive way with change. So not trying to prevent change in any case, but to acknowledge that there is change, that it might have positive outcomes but also negative outcomes. So the question is not to how can we keep things as they are, but how can we kind of navigate change towards desirable outcomes.